I was like, what? Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my laytest tutorials. Alright, so this video today is sponsored by TopCashback. I actually worked with them last year, and I was super excited that I did because I found a way to get money back for my purchases. So first of all, it is so easy to join TopCashback. All you have to do, plug in your email, make you a password, press join, and you're good to go. Once you join, you have over 4,000 retailers to choose from. I'm talking Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Lowe's, Home Depot, Kirkland's, Pier 1. I mean, it goes on. Travelocity, EXPIRE, anything like that. So if you're trying to do getaways, I mean, go on the site and you will get your money back. Seriously. They're good for like stores that never have anything, like the Dollar Tree. So if you're gonna go into the Dollar Tree and they don't have anything, you can totally go online, purchase something, and you will get 4% cash back. So if you're a big crafter, this is really good for you to use. So you can go on the website and you can purchase larger quantities, like the 26, and I think there's like 36 or something like that. Purchase it off of there, get it sent to your store, and you're good to go. If you are not a bigger crafter and you want to do like, you do smaller things just for around the house or, you know, something like that, you can do smaller quantities. So if you're going to do smaller quantities, all you have to do is go up to the top, go to extreme value, go to pick and pack, and then you're able to choose those smaller quantities. So like 4, 6, 8, things like that. They are even numbers, and you can choose from the different categories. So they have seasonal, they have home decor, they have pantry, they have kitchen. You just click on the one that you want, browse to see what they have, and then you can pick those smaller quantities and get them sent to your store, and you don't have to worry about shipping, and you will get 4% cash back. So I promise you, you won't be disappointed when you're using TopCashback. It is simple to sign up. Once you sign up, down below I will have a link. You will get a $10 sign up bonus plus your cash back when you spend $25. That's all you have to do. Promise, that's like literally not going to take you. You can spend $25. I know you can. So I will have that link down below for you to sign up with TopCashback. Okay, so with that being said, we're gonna get into the DIY. Okay, the DIY is amazing. I'm super excited about this. I think you are definitely gonna love it. I can't believe, like, I was like, what? So you guys, absolutely, I already know it. So there's no need for me to talk about it. Let's get into it. Alrighty, so to get started with this DIY, you're just gonna need these glass jars with the lids and these pumpkins. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the pumpkin and I'm going to remove the pick and the clip at the bottom. And then I'm just going to take my razor and I am going to cut a hole in the bottom so that I can add the pumpkin to the top. And you can use your hot glue or you can use E6000 to add that to the top of the lid. Okay, so for my third jar, I just got the larger jar that is like a screw-on lid with the flat surface, and I'm just going to take my hot glue and I'm going to add this pumpkin to the center. All right, so now I'm gonna start to paint the pumpkin, and to do that, I'm gonna be using a metallic acrylic colored paint. So I'm gonna be using gold and also pearl deep brown. So the first color that I'm going to add is this gold, as you can see, and I'm just going to add that to my pumpkin and my lid, and I did about 2 coats. And then after I added that gold, I went and started to add the pearl deep brown, and I started to dab that around, just adding it on, kind of blending the colors together. And then after that, I let it dry just for a little bit, and then I started to re-add on gold and brown, just kind of like overlapping the colors until I got that nice effect that I wanted the lid and the pumpkin to have. And I am super excited with how it turned out. And I will have the paints that I used linked down below in my description box. Alright, so this is what the top looks like after you are finished with that, and you can seal this with polyacrylic. And now I'm just going to start to work on the jar. So I'm going to remove the lid, and I'm just going to simply start to paint this using chalk paint. Don't remember the color of this chalk paint, but I will have this linked down below as well. And I did about 3 coats on each of the jars. Okay, so now I'm going to start to add these chalkboard stickers. I've used them in previous DIYs and they're really, really good. They're nice adhesive stickers. So I got these from Michael's. I'll have them linked down below, but I'm just going to peel it off, and then I'm going to place this in that little section right there where you could potentially paint your chalk paint on there, but I'm just going to use these stickers. So you're going to place it on there and rub it down with your hands, and you'll start to see the imprint of that area. And then I'm just going to take my razor and I'm going to cut around and take away all of the extra chalkboard sticker that I don't need. And then this is like literally the adhesive on this is really, really good, so it's going to stick. So be careful when you are using your razor. You don't want to cut any of your fingers. So now I'm going to take my finishing wax and I am going to add the wax to all 3 jars. Okay, so now I'm just going to season this area with my chalk, and I'm just going to scribble with my chalk on there and wipe it clean. All right, so now you can write in the front section here. So if you're using this for decor, you can put like I'm putting thankful, and the other one I'm putting blessed. If you're gonna actually use this for storage, you're just gonna write, you know, what is in the actual jar. And you can use either regular chalk or you can use your liquid chalk to write on the front. All right, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you click on that link down below so that you can join TopCashback so you can start earning money back. I will have that link down below. Remember, $10 for signing up plus your cash back when you spend $25. Also, make sure you leave me a comment down below, and I will see you in my next one.